Your voice, a promising biomarker with potential medical applications. Welcome back to the Oncolomed Cancer Academy. Today, we are looking at the voice as a potential biomarker with a huge potential for various medical applications. Throughout our lives, most of us experience two distinct voice changes, one during puberty and another as a result of aging. However, there's another kind of voice shift that occurs when a disease begins or when our mental health deteriorates. Recognizing the significance of these voice changes, doctors and researchers are increasingly investigating voice as a potential biomarker, an indicator of the presence of a disease. Unlike general vital signs such as blood pressure or heart rate, which provide a general idea of overall health, voice analysis has the potential to identify specific diseases and conditions. In this video, we will explore the emerging field of voice analysis as a biomarker and its potential to revolutionize patient care. Exploring the complexity of the voice. Speaking involves a complex interplay of various physiological components, including the lungs, voice box, mouth, and brain. Any disruption in these parts can impact the voice. Integrating voice analysis as a routine part of patient care, comparable to blood pressure checks or cholesterol tests, could facilitate early identification of individuals in need of medical attention. Furthermore, voice analysis is a convenient and accessible method, as it can be performed using everyday devices such as smartphones. Harnessing the power of voice data. Obtaining voice data for analysis is a simple and user-friendly process that does not require expensive equipment or specialized expertise. Multiple voice samples collected over time provide a more comprehensive understanding of an individual's health than a single snapshot, such as those obtained from cognitive tests. Recognizing this potential, the Voice as a Biomarker project, supported by a substantial funding of nearly $18 million over 4 years, aims to collect a massive dataset of 20,000 to 30,000 voice samples, along with corresponding health data. Voice analysis in clinical practice and beyond. Commercial entities like Google, Alexa, and Amazon already possess extensive voice data, but the lack of accompanying health information limits its clinical usability. The Voice as a Biomarker project seeks to address this limitation by developing advanced voice screening applications that can be utilized even in remote communities with limited access to specialists. The power of algorithms. AI algorithms have a distinct advantage over human clinicians in analyzing vocal data. While humans can only retain limited information simultaneously, AI can consider a wide range of vocal markers, piecing them together to form a holistic and precise assessment. Recent studies have demonstrated the potential of automated voice analysis tools to outperform specialists in identifying certain diseases. For instance, in a study involving patients with laryngeal cancer, an automated voice analysis tool exhibited superior accuracy compared to laryngologists in detecting the disease. The vast training base of algorithms, comprising millions of voice samples, allows for enhanced diagnostic capabilities that surpass those of individual clinicians. Promising applications and future directions. The Voice as a Biomarker project intends to focus its efforts on 5 areas: voice disorders, cancers of the larynx, vocal fold paralysis, benign lesions on the larynx. Voice changes play a crucial role in identifying conditions such as laryngeal cancer, vocal fold paralysis, and benign lesions on the larynx. These conditions often manifest as breathiness or roughness in the voice, indicating vocal irregularities. Persistent hoarseness lasting at least 2 weeks is commonly one of the earliest signs of laryngeal cancer. Unfortunately, patients often delay seeking medical attention, with an average delay of 16 weeks, according to a study. Even when relying solely on vocal cues, laryngologists can still misdiagnose some cases of cancer. Neurological and neurodegenerative disorders, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, stroke, ALS. In neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, changes in voice often appear as one of the initial symptoms, even preceding a formal diagnosis. As an example, Parkinson's may soften the voice or make it sound monotone, while Alzheimer's can alter speech content, leading to an increase in hesitations and a preference for pronouns over nouns. Vocal changes in Parkinson's can occur decades before the onset of motor symptoms. Early detection at this stage, prior to the emergence of tremors, could enable prompt intervention, which is considered a significant goal in finding a future cure. Mood and psychiatric disorders, depression, schizophrenia, bipolar disorders. Currently, no established biomarkers exist for diagnosing depression. However, individuals often convey their mood through their voice, a characteristic noticed by friends, even over the phone. Voice changes associated with bipolar disorder, such as louder and faster speech during manic episodes and slower and quieter speech during depressive phases, can also be detected. Pediatric voice and speech disorders, speech and language delays, autism. Voice analysis can also play a crucial role in detecting pediatric disorders. Researchers have found that babies who later develop autism exhibit distinct crying patterns as early as 6 months of age. Various apps like Chatterbaby have the potential to identify these differences and assist in flagging children for early intervention, enabling prompt support and treatment. Autism is also often associated with other conditions, such as epilepsy and sleep disorders. Analyzing an infant's cry could prompt pediatricians to screen for a range of related conditions. And that's only the beginning. AI technology holds the potential to identify disease-related voice changes that may be imperceptible to the human ear. A recent Mayo Clinic study discovered specific vocal features detectable only by AI, which were associated with a 3-fold increase in the likelihood of arterial plaque buildup. While researchers are unsure of the exact relationship between heart disease and voice changes, the autonomic nervous system, responsible for regulating the voice box along with blood pressure and heart rate, may play a role. Similarly, diseases affecting the nerves and gut may also influence the voice. Apart from patient screening, this discovery could enable doctors to remotely adjust medication doses based on these inaudible vocal signals. The researchers anticipate that this application may become a reality in the next few years. Privacy concerns and ethical data sourcing. Although there is hope for the potential of voice analysis, privacy concerns must also be addressed when collecting and using voice samples. The Voice as a Biomarker project aims to establish voice quotas for different races, ethnicities, and accents to ensure accurate analysis by the algorithms. Data from individuals with speech impediments will also be included in the dataset. Despite these challenges, researchers remain optimistic, believing that vocal analysis will become a great equalizer and significantly improve health outcomes. The growing understanding of the strength and potential of the human voice brings hope for the future of healthcare. Thank you for watching the Oncolomed Cancer Academy channel. We hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to get more interesting medical news coming your way.